Okay, so today we are going bowling. We are at Cinema World Bowling Alley in Lincoln, Rhode Island. They have an arcade in here, a big bowling alley with projector screens, and some bowling food. Are we ready to go bowling?
You ready to go bowl? Woohoo! Say bowling!
Bowling!
Yeah, let's go. Here we are, CW Lanes and Games. Let's head inside and check out what they have to offer. And over here is Game Zone, which is their arcade. Lots of classic arcade games with a twist to them. Here's a look at what the entire bowling alley looks like. Alright, it's time to get our shoes. Not sure what size to pick, but we'll find out. Alright, I guess this is the weight we're going with. XXL 15. I don't know. Nice job! Not bad, not bad. That wasn't easy.
Can you get it?
And then that would be deer?
Oh my god! And just like that, folks, it's over. Here's what we got, and here's what the girls got. Looks like Sophia did pretty good. So it's the next day, and it snowed outside, and I just don't want to go do it, but we're gonna go shovel. I'm gonna take Sophia outside. We're gonna make some snowmen, snow angels, snow footprints, snowballs, whatever you want to do in the snow. But yeah, it's probably a good 4 inches of snow. But it's pretty to look at when it's coming down. But once it's down, to clean it up, I really don't like to. So I'm getting on my snow boots, got on my snow pants. Guys, want a fit check? All right, here's the fit check. Got a hoodie on, a long sleeve shirt. I'm wearing long john sweatpants and snow pants, thick socks, thick wool socks, and my boots. I'm gonna throw on my winter coat, and then after that, put on a hat and gloves and head outside. So, come on. Just finished shoveling, and now I'm outside playing with Sophia. She's loving the winter wonderland out here.
Dad, what about the sled?
The sled? I mean, I can go get the sled.
Actually, I really want to go on the sled.
You want the sled? We're gonna go get the sled. Okay, we're back over here with the sled. And I also grabbed this new ND filter that I want to try on here. Well, he didn't go very far.
Wow.
I think this is crazy over here. The frozen net. Can't even get the balls inside. So frozen. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this fun little home vlog. It's different. We're not traveling as much right now because it's January and we got a trip planned in March. So there'll be more travel content coming up. But we're gonna do a couple like small local things. I want to maybe go to like the Children's Museum, and maybe go up to Boston, maybe do best cookie in the state because you guys seem to like the cookie vlog. Let me know in the comments what content you want to see while we're not traveling. It'll be more home vlog stuff like this, just small activities that we're doing and showcasing Rhode Island because that's really what I want to do is showcase the state that I live in when I'm not traveling. But then I do want to bring you guys along and show you all the things that we are seeing when we're traveling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was a little different from what we usually put out, but I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.